today we are in London. So we just got ready. It's very, very early in the morning. We booked tickets for the Van Gogh Alive experience, which is basically some sort of like immersive experience of this whole all the Van Gogh stuff. And honestly, I don't really know what to expect, but we'll see. We booked at 10 a.m. So we're ready right now. A bit too early. It takes about an hour to get there. I think it's almost an hour. It's on like the other side of London, like Kensington Gardens, so it's gonna take a bit of time to get there. So it's like almost 9ish. I think we're running a little bit late to be fair, but we gotta get there at 10, and yeah, so let's go. Okay, so we just got out of the Van Gogh Alive. I swear it's Van Gogh.
It's Van Gogh.
It's Van Gogh. I swear it's Van Gogh.
Van Gogh.
Van Gogh.
I never heard anyone saying Van Gogh. It's raining.
I swear it's Van Gogh. Yeah, it is raining. It's like drizzling. What is this? This is my drawing. I felt like I was 5 again.
Down.
Here's
what the hell
my.
is that?
It's
Why
that
is it
pointy
wonky?
thing.
Why is it wonky?
Why not? You got to add your own artistic flair. You can't say anything. Look at yours.
Mine is straight at least.
Okay, I feel like yours is better. But I didn't really understand it whilst we were doing it. It was a bit
But it's just follow along, isn't it?
overrated. Not that I had high expectations for it.
I thought it was going to be bigger. That's it.
Yeah, I thought, because it goes Van Gogh Alive, immersive experience. It wasn't that immersive. You just got this on projector screens. And then plus, what was nice was the sunflowers. However, the sunflower room was tiny.
It was.
Tiny. You go in and you're out already. It was alright. We're sat by, I don't know what this is, but we're in Kensington Gardens. We're gonna go eat now. We're gonna go to Eat Tokyo because we used to always go Eat Tokyo. Back when we were in London, we used to always queue, and we saw that it opens at 12. It's like 12 now. There's one in Notting Hill. I've never been to Notting Hill one though. We're near Notting Hill-ish, and so let's go get some Japanese food. Let's go, because I'm hungry. I didn't really eat breakfast. It's nice chilling here though. Yeah. However, it is raining. So let's go! So after we ate, we're like, okay, let's go for a walk. We walked to Covent Garden, and then we walked some more to Chinatown. We're like, okay, let's get some dessert. Let's get a light dessert, because we just ate, and somehow we ended up with dessert bigger than my head. Tell me how. And you best believe we finished the whole thing. After dessert, you could probably already tell, but we were full. So we decided to make the hour walk back to the hotel. Along the way, we walked past Eataly, which just recently opened like maybe like a few months back. So we decided, let's go in. But coming here on a full stomach, there really wasn't much there for us. We are back. We walked a whole hour to Eataly. However, we thought that by that time we'd be hungry. We weren't hungry. We're still not hungry. We're still very full today. Walked there and we realized it's quite close to the hotel, so we thought maybe we'd just go back there tomorrow because still full. Anyways, my legs are aching. I don't get a lot of exercise done. I don't go to the gym. I work from home. I'm literally sat at my desk 24/7 and I don't go anywhere. I don't move. So walking for an hour is painful. Anyways, I want to rest my legs and my feet and just chill for the rest of the day. We're back at the hotel quite early. It's 5:30. We might check out the pool or something. I don't really know. This hotel's a bit like it's like a Ryanair hotel. Everything you gotta pay extra for this, pay extra for this. There's no iron in the wardrobe. You have to get the iron if you want it. There's every little thing. How is this a 4-star hotel when you have to pay for the tiniest little things? Like, even the complimentary things that you have in hotels, like the little travel stuff that you have in the bathrooms, none of that.
Yeah, that's just better.
And they said if you want it, you gotta go to the front desk, and they're probably gonna charge you for it. Overall though, it's been nice, but I spent a lot of money. Oh yeah. Still got bubble tea left from the place where we had what is it? The shaved ice. Oh my god, the shaved ice was huge. We went to Oh, and look, we sat by the window because there's not a lot of seats there, and just everyone kept staring at it. Even the lady sitting at the chair, she straight away when she saw it, she was like, "Ooh, what's that?" Like, trust us to be like, what? Let's get a light snack and get something as big as our heads.
Oh no, you punched it the wrong way. It's supposed to go.
Passion fruit. What is this? Passion fruit tea with boba. This is the view that we have. A view of, I don't know what that is.